Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Giantex Recliner Chair is probably one of the most sought-after pieces of furniture for anyone looking to elevate their living room's comfort and style, offering a perfect blend of relaxation and modern design that transforms any space into a cozy sanctuary. This chair isn't just about sitting, it's about sinking into a world of plush cushioning and ergonomic support, making it an ideal choice for unwinding after a long day, enjoying your favorite book, or catching up on the latest shows with unparalleled ease. Number 5. Giantex Adjustable Folding Floor Chair, Pink. Experience personalized comfort with 14 adjustable positions. Whether you're napping, reading, or gaming, find the perfect angle for any activity. It even lays flat for complete relaxation. Sink into plush comfort with its high-density sponge padding. The skin-friendly coral velvet cover provides a soft and thick experience for sitting or lying down. Built with a heavy-duty steel frame, it offers excellent loading capacity and stability. Non-slip pads at the bottom ensure it stays securely in place. When not in use, simply lay it flat for easy storage. This feature helps save valuable space and requires no assembly. This chair stands on its own, allowing you to place it anywhere you desire. Perfect for your living room, game room, or any space needing a comfortable seat. What we like. This floor chair offers unparalleled adjustability with 14 positions, perfect for any activity from gaming to napping. Its plush coral velvet and high-density sponge ensure maximum comfort. If you're looking for a versatile floor seating solution that can adapt to various needs and be easily stored, this is the one for you. What people say. The chair is very comfortable and supportive, with a good amount of padding. The recliner mechanism is smooth and easy to operate, allowing for multiple reclining positions. The chair is made of durable materials and seems built to last. Number 4. Giantex Gaming Recliner Chair. Experience unparalleled comfort with our gaming recliner. The backrest and footrest are fully adjustable, allowing you to find the perfect angle for gaming, watching TV, or simply relaxing. Crafted with high-resilient sponge and smooth PU leather, this chair offers a comfortable and skin-friendly experience. Its sturdy construction supports up to 330 pounds, ensuring durability and stability. Relieve pressure and unwind with the integrated electric massage lumbar pillow. Featuring 8 modes and dual vibrating motors, it provides customizable relaxation for your waist. Keep your essentials close with side storage bags and a dedicated remote control pocket. This versatile chair seamlessly fits into any living room, office, or gaming space. Enjoy a hassle-free setup. This gaming recliner comes pre-assembled, requiring only a few minutes and no tools to put together, so you can start relaxing right away. What we like. Experience ultimate relaxation with this gaming recliner, featuring adjustable backrest and footrest for personalized comfort. The integrated massage function with 8 modes helps relieve fatigue. If you desire a premium gaming or lounging experience with added therapeutic benefits, this chair is an excellent choice. What people say. The recliner is comfortable and easy to assemble. The chair reclines smoothly and has a good range of motion. The material is soft and durable, and the color is true to the picture. Number 3. Giantex Kids Gaming Recliner Chair. This kids' recliner features a streamlined design with a harmonious color block, enhancing its aesthetic and esports style. It fits perfectly in any room and offers spacious seating that children over 3 will love. This chair can meet various sitting needs, from reading to resting, as the backrest adjusts from 100 to 160 degrees. The linked footrest allows for full leg extension and relaxation. Its high back conforms to the ergonomic curve for improved comfort, while the thick, high-elasticity sponge provides a plush experience. The headrest and lumbar support offer extra comfort and fatigue relief. Crafted from premium, skin-friendly PU leather, it's easy to clean, non-toxic, and odorless. The sturdy wooden frame supports up to 165 pounds, and the scratch-resistant feet protect your floors. Assembly is straightforward with detailed instructions. Its lightweight design makes it easy to move around your home. It's an ideal gift for birthdays or Christmas. What we like. Designed specifically for children, this gaming recliner offers ergonomic support with headrest and lumbar cushioning. Its durable and easy-to-clean PU leather makes it ideal for active kids. If you're searching for a comfortable, stylish, and safe recliner for your child's room or play area, this is a perfect fit. What people say. The recliner is very comfortable and easy to assemble. It reclines smoothly and the footrest is well supported. The material is soft and durable, and the color is exactly as pictured. Number 2. Best Choice Products Modern Linen Power Lift Chair. Experience dependable comfort with this versatile power lift recliner. It's the perfect choice for your living space, featuring built-in cup holders for added lounging convenience. Operating this chair is made easy with simple adjustment functions. An easy-to-reach button on the side allows you to tilt forward or recline effortlessly. This chair is equipped with a remote control offering multiple massage modes targeting your back and legs. It also features heat settings to radiate warmth for ultimate relaxation. Enjoy a sturdy, anti-tipping design for safety and stability. Side pockets keep your reading material close, and a USB port makes charging your devices a breeze. Adjust to your preferred position for maximum comfort. Transition between reclined and lifted, a lifted leg rest, or a fully lifted chair position with ease. What we like. This power lift recliner provides effortless reclining and lifting at the push of a button, making it ideal for those who need assistance. Enjoy targeted massage and soothing heat for ultimate relaxation, plus convenient USB charging. If you value ease of use, comfort, and modern conveniences, this chair is a superb option. What people say. The recliner is comfortable and easy to assemble. The chair is well made and sturdy. The recliner is a great addition to my living room. Number 1. Ketaiyou Power Swivel Rocker Recliner Chair. Experience unparalleled comfort with 270-degree swivel, soothing massage, and gentle heat. Effortlessly adjust the angle to your perfect position for ultimate relaxation. Stay connected while you unwind. This chair features convenient USB and Type-C ports, allowing you to easily charge your devices without leaving your seat. Enjoy versatile lounging with a wide reclining range from 90 to 160 degrees. Keep your essentials close with dual side pockets and cup holders for added convenience. Melt away tension with 5 massage modes targeting key areas at your preferred intensity. 2 heat settings provide comforting warmth to your lumbar region. Relax with confidence knowing that this chair comes with 12 months of free replacement parts, ensuring your comfort for the long term. What we like. Offering 270-degree swivel, rocking, and infinite recline positions, this chair provides exceptional freedom of movement and comfort. It also includes massage, heat, and convenient USB Type-C charging ports. If you seek a highly versatile recliner that combines advanced features, mobility, and modern charging solutions, this chair is an outstanding selection. What people say. The recliner is very comfortable and easy to assemble. It reclines smoothly and the footrest is well padded. The material is soft and durable, and the chair looks great in my living room. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.